However, everything changed during the early hours of September 19 at precisely 2 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time. An amateur observer in Chile took a series of long-exposure images, revealing something unforeseen: 9 dim pinpoints of light accompanying Atlas, moving elegantly in formation, reminiscent of fireflies circling a lantern. Hours later, the James Webb Space Telescope, Hubble, and the Very Large Telescope confirmed this startling discovery. The interstellar visitor was not flying solo. A total of 10 objects traveled together, each shimmering with the same peculiar hue. What scientists would uncover about these unseen companions would drastically alter the landscape of astronomy. Initially, professionals dismissed the Chilean images as mere glitches, cosmic ray strikes, or artifacts of data processing. Yet, the Webb's infrared instruments and Hubble's precise tracking eliminated any doubt. Indeed, 9 smaller bodies hovered alongside the main object, each sharing the same trajectory and speed, emitting that same otherworldly green glow. Spectral analysis unveiled an even stranger reality. These were not fragments broken off from Atlas but independent entities possessing a strikingly similar metallic signature: nickel, cobalt, and rare alloys typically found in comets. The thermal profiles proved even more perplexing. Atlas had already confounded researchers with a heat signature suggesting an internal energy source around 10 gigawatts. In contrast, the companions seemed to emanate nearly double that amount, 20 gigawatts each, despite their diminutive size, comparable to city blocks. That level of energy was more than many nations utilize, all packed into objects no larger than small mountains. Natural processes cannot account for this. Nature does not create miniature reactors within wandering debris. If these were engineered probes, not naturally occurring bodies, the implications would be monumental. Even more unsettling was their unexpected arrival. For weeks, various telescopes globally, from NASA's Parker Solar Probe to missions heading toward Mercury, collected valuable data on Atlas. None detected its companions until they suddenly appeared. According to Avi Loeb from Harvard, the 9 objects didn't gradually come into view. Instead, they emerged in less than a millisecond, faster than a flash or a blink. Instruments lacked the speed to capture their sudden emergence. One moment there was a solitary Voyager, the next, a convoy. Skeptics proposed a natural breakup event or a collision with a massive interstellar rock, creating fragments that retained Atlas's trajectory. However, fragments do not radiate like reactors, nor do they emit 20 gigawatts each or exhibit identical green-tinted tails featuring exotic metals. Their precision was too striking. Even critics conceded that the companions functioned less like debris and more like engineered machines. The tale took another twist as another interstellar object, identified as C-2025R2 and nicknamed Swan, approached from the opposite sky. Swan was 100 times larger and brighter than Atlas, boasting a tail that stretched 5 lunar widths. Its closest encounter with the Sun was set to happen just days after Atlas's, 2 interstellar giants navigating the same path with an unseen fleet. Some theorized Swan arrived as a shield to intercept Atlas and its probes, while others posited that both spacecraft were working together, meeting near the Sun to exchange energy, data, or cargo. Historians noted that records of green-tailed visitors span over millennia in cycles of about 2,200 years. If accurate, humanity has witnessed this occurrence before and survived, though survival now is no guarantee. Governments sprang into action. Reports emerged of recalibrated defense satellites, retargeted reconnaissance missions, and heightened secret communications among space agencies. China expedited the creation of high-velocity interceptors. Europe revived asteroid deflection plans. In the United States, emergency panels convened at NASA and the Pentagon. Yet publicly, there was only silence. Then, anomalies rippled throughout the solar system. Magnetometers detected faint pulses aligned with the convoy's orbit, repeating every 43 seconds like a pulse. Seismographs recorded ultra-low vibrations devoid of tectonic origins. Whales, birds, and even insects changed their migratory patterns, as if their internal navigational systems were disrupted. The timing corresponded precisely with the movement of the accompanying objects. To some researchers, it seemed as though Earth itself resonated with something hidden within those entities. Such a coincidence would be extraordinary, indicating possible intent. A more chilling observation followed. Radio astronomers intercepted a directed energy burst from one of the escorts, not directed at Earth, but aimed at the Moon, striking a region known for dense gravitational anomalies beneath its crust. The signal exhibited structure and layering, resembling more of a code than a language. If the Moon belongs to an ancient system now awakening, these probes might be triggering something dormant there long before humanity existed. Orbital projections added a final twist. Both Atlas and Swan, along with their 9 companions, were on a course to align within a narrow corridor near the Sun in mid-October. Their closest points would occur within days of each other, separated by less than 50 million kilometers. For random celestial bodies, such synchronicity is improbable. For engineered objects, it appears meticulously planned. Moreover, the blackout period when the Sun obscures our instruments ensures crucial moments will remain unseen. This is not a tale from science fiction. It is unfolding now, above us, in real time. 10 synchronized entities, powerful and intentional, are navigating our solar system. As they draw closer, one possibility becomes increasingly difficult to disregard. Maybe they are not merely passing through. Perhaps they are here for us. *Subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.